Watch this video and learn how to draw a Christmas gift box.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hi Artie, nice to see you.
Yeah. What we draw today?
What are we going to draw?
Yeah.
A Christmas gift box.
Oh, yes please. Yes please. Yes please.
You like gifts, don't you?
Yeah.
Especially Christmas gifts.
Artie loves.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
My goodness, Artie, you're very excited.
Oh my God.
You must be ready to draw your Christmas gift box. Should we begin? Come on.
I always get so happy before Artie starts.
It's so thrilling.
Let's start by drawing a line right in the middle of the page towards the bottom. From the bottom of that line, draw another line angling up towards the right. And again from the bottom, draw another line angling up towards the left. We've drawn a sort of arrow pointing down.
Okay.
On the right, let's draw a straight line up with a little step at the top. Do exactly the same on the left side, Artie.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
I'm not sure yet.
Let's draw an angled line all the way across to the step, and then the same on the left side, starting at the step all the way into the middle. Great!
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Starting in the middle, let's draw a curved line going up towards the right, and then again a curved line going up towards the left. Now let's draw a squished oval shape, almost like an eye on the right, and then another squished oval shape on the left, as if a left eye.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Let's draw a line from the right side of the squished oval up towards the top, and then we'll do the same on the left side, from the left side of the squished oval up towards the top. Another angled line up towards the middle.
This is making me so happy.
Me too.
Well, I'm really glad you're happy, guys. Artie's drawn the bottom part of the ribbon. Now let's do another one on the right, Artie. Just two straight lines coming down. Now let's connect the bottom of the ribbons. Now we have a big bow on top of our cube.
What's a cube?
What's a cube? Let's have a shape break. Yeah, let's have a shape break and learn all about cubes.
Hello and welcome to the Shape Break. My name's Louie and today I'm going to be teaching you about this shape right here. It's a cube. Yes, now, a cube is kind of square-shaped. It's actually got 6 sides, so the face, the front here, is a square indeed, but then also the top's a square, the bottom, and all the sides. So let's count all the sides. 6 sides altogether. Ready? 1, 2, that's the underside. 3, 4, and round the back, 5, 6. 6 sides to a cube. Amazing. Well, anyway, let's think of some sort of cubes in our lives. Let's think, well, ice cubes. I love ice cubes, especially in the summer when it's hot, you know. Cardboard boxes, they're cubes. Of course I forgot. The Rubik's Cube. It's the puzzle with all the little squares that you turn around and stuff. So, why did the Rubik's Cube go to the doctor? It had a case of the twists. Yeah, okay, I'm trying my best here, darling. I mean, why did the ice cube feel sad? He felt isolated. Isolated. This one's good. What is a box that plays beats? A beatboxer.
Well, now you know all about cubes, Artie. So let's continue drawing our cube-shaped gift box.
Okay.
Let's continue with the lid of our box. A short angled line up to the ribbon, and then a longer angled line all the way to the right side. Now, can you do the same on the left? A short little line first, and then from the left side, a longer line all the way down and stop at the ribbon. This is looking good, Artie.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Now we're missing the back section of the lid of the box. So draw a little upside down V at the back. There we go. Now we have a complete box. Is something missing, Artie? I know.
Yeah.
Let's draw a ribbon around the box.
Okay.
2 straight lines going up on the right side. And another 2 straight lines going up on the left side. Oh yes, this looks much better, Artie.
How clever!
Sure is.
Let's continue the ribbon across underneath the bow. Same on the right side. It looks pretty finished, Artie. Is it finished? It is finished. Why don't you use some coloured markers that are very Christmassy, like green and red?
Color it in. Color it in. Color it in.
Is it all done, Artie?
Yeah.
It looks wonderful. I love how you made the box green, but with a red ribbon. It's so Christmassy. You did it again, Artie. It's a masterpiece. Well done.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, we hope you have a Merry Christmas. Until next time, it's bye-bye.